What is the difference between pre-approval and pre-qualification? Pre-qualification is like kind of the stepping stone to pre-approval. So pre-qualification means that you've stated your income to someone. Maybe they've loosely looked at credit, but they haven't verified all of your information and they haven't underwritten it. Meaning it's a very loose, here's your stamp of approval to go buy a house, but isn't quite as solidified as a pre-approval. A pre-approval means, yes, we've seen your documents, we've seen your credit, we know that you for sure can qualify to purchase this home. Why is this important? Well, for a few reasons. First off, if you're out shopping with a lender that's only given you a pre-qualification and you fall in love with the house on a Saturday afternoon and write an offer, if there's another offer, the listing agent is going to say, well, this is just a pre-qualification. I don't know if I like this, letter of qualification. We really want a pre-approval because our sellers know that the other buyers have a pre-approval, and that means they're more likely to close on time. So it's important that you're ahead of it and can plan ahead. Also, a pre-qualification, well, they're just looking at loose terms for you. They don't know exactly what programs you can qualify for, if you can do down payment assistance, yes or no. Some of those moving pieces are really, really important to knowing how much you can do for down payment and how much your monthly payment would be, and it greatly affects your interest rate. So really doing a full pre-approval up front before you go house shopping is incredibly important.